In this video, we will learn how to factorize the quadratic expression. Always the quadratic expression is in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c. This we call it quadratic expression, or later we will study quadratic, how to factorize the quadratic equation, or how to solve the quadratic equation. But in this video, we will focus on how to factorize the quadratic equation, the quadratic expression. We will study two cases. The first one when a equal 1 and when a greater than 1. Let's start with when a equal to 1. First example here, x squared plus 4x plus 3. How to factorize this expression? Okay, number one, you have to label each coefficient. Here we will say that coefficient a, here b, and here the constant is c. Then, step number 2, you will multiply a to c. 1 times 3 equals 3, and b equal 4. Then we will look for two numbers. Their product is 3 and the sum is 4. Which two numbers that their product is 3 and their sum is 4? 3 times 1. So we will open our brackets and put here x, here 3, and here number 1. So the result, it will be x plus 3 times x plus 1. And now I factorized this expression. Question number 2. X squared minus 6x plus 8. Number 1. We will label the coefficient here a, here b, here c. Then we will get a times c equal 1 times 8 equal 8, and b equal negative 6. Here we will look for two numbers. These two numbers, their product is 8 and the sum is negative 6. The two numbers that their product is 8, 4, negative 2. Why negative? Because negative 4 times negative 2, we will get 8. But when we add them, we will get negative 6. So negative 4 and negative 2. So the answer, it will be x negative 4, x negative 2. This is our answer. I think it's very easy now to factorize the quadratic equation. Question number 3. X squared plus 2x minus 8. As we said, we will label the coefficient of x squared a, b, c. Then a get a 2 times c equal negative 8 and b equal 2. We will look for two numbers. Their product is negative 8 and the sum is 2. Negative 4 times 2. Negative 4 times 2 equal negative 8. And when we, it will not negative 4 and negative 2. It will be 4 and negative 2. Why? Because when we add 4 minus 2, we will get plus 2. If b is negative 2, we will change 4 to be negative 4 and 2. Because we are looking for two numbers. Their product is negative 8 and the sum is plus 2. Then we can write now the factorizing. It will be x plus 4, x minus 2. Okay. Question number 4. If we have t squared negative 4t minus 12. Okay, we label a, b, c. AC equal negative 12, B equal negative 4. We are looking for two numbers, their product negative 12 and the sum of them is negative 4. I think it will be negative 6 and 2. 2 times negative 6 equal negative 12. Negative 6 plus 2 it will be negative 4. So the answer it will be t minus 6 times t plus 2. How to check that our answer is true? Expand the brackets and it should be the same here, the same expression, okay? T times t equal t squared. T plus 2, t times 2 equal 2t, negative 6t equal negative 40. Negative 6 times 2 equal negative 12. So this is the final answer and it's true. Now we will learn how to factorize the quadratic expressions, okay, that has coefficient a greater than 1. Let's start with the first example. 2x squared plus 3x plus 1. A, B, C. We will get AC, 2 times 1 equal 2, B equal 3. Then we will look for two numbers. Their product is 2 and their sum is 3, 2, yes, and 1. Here we will add just one step, that we will divide by the factor, so the coefficient of x squared. Here 2 over 2 and 1 over 2. 2 over 2 it will be, we will divide both of them by 2. We have to simplify these fractions. 1 over 1. So these fractions will represent the brackets. We will open our brackets. The denominator will represent x. So each fractions it will represent the one bracket, this bracket, and the other bracket. The denominator represents x and numerator plus 1. Here 2x and numerator plus 1. So this is the result. Okay. Here another example, A, B, C. We have here AC equal 5 times negative 9 equal negative 45 and B equal 12. So we are looking for two numbers, their product is negative 45 and their sum is 12. Which two numbers? Negative, sorry, 15 plus 15 and negative 3. 15 times negative 3 equal negative 45. And when we add them, we will find that the result will be 12. Okay, if we change the sign, if we said negative 15 and 3, the result, their sum will be negative 12, but here it is 12 positive, so 15 should be positive 15 and negative 3. Then we will divide by the coefficient 5 and here by 5. 5 equals 3 and 1. So the brackets will be, here represent the x. So this is this fraction represented the first bracket and the other fraction represented the other bracket. So here will be x plus 3 and here 5x negative 3. Okay? Okay. This is another example. 5x squared negative 17x plus 6. A, B, C. AC equal 5 times 6 equal 30 and B equal negative 17. Sorry. Now we will look for two numbers. Their product is 30 and their sum is negative 17. Yes, 15 and 2. But here will be both of them negative 15 and negative 2. Why? Because when we multiply negative 15 times negative 2, the result will be 30. And when we add them, the result will be negative 17. Then we will divide by each one by 5. So here we will simplify negative 3 over 1 and the other fraction negative 2 and 5. Each fraction will represent the brackets. Here represent x, denominator represents x, and the numerator negative 3. Here 5x and negative 2. That's it. Okay. The last question, 3b squared minus 7b minus 6. A, B, C. AC equal 3 times negative 6, negative 18, and B equal negative 7. Then we are looking for two numbers. Their product is negative 18 and their sum is negative 7. Yes, negative 9 and 2. Negative 9 times 2 equal negative 18 and their sum is negative 7. Then we will divide by the coefficient 3 and 3. Here we will divide both of the fractions by 3. So the result will be negative 3 over 1. So the brackets will be 1x negative 3 and here 3x plus 2. Each fraction represent brackets. Okay. Now we have finished how to factorize the quadratic equation, and see you later in the next video inshallah.